What's up, party people? Party people, party people, party people, party people. However that song go from Bring It On. Is it Bring It On? I think so. All right, but we are going to start a new episode here in Hifron on Bagley. Um, we still trying to get this aspiration complete. Like we nowhere near being done. So we have been working on our gardening skills. And we can't have a job. Um, Goals to complete aspiration. We married a townie. We have two kids. We have not maxed our garden skill. Um, and I don't feel like we have a successful farm yet. So here we go. All right, we are back. Yeah, I thought we can win or something. But I do have the streamer mod, but I'll most likely take those parts out. So I don't know why they're all staying in here, but yeah, let's get on to, oh my goodness, girl, I left you in the red. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna start this episode off by cheating her needs because I just don't got time. We need to collect 5 items from Bramblewood. Travel to Bramblewood neighborhood in Hifron on Bagley. Locate a harvestable hidden in the woods and collect it. Okay, I at least want to attempt to do this. Um, Before I get done with this episode. So, is this a oversized crop? I think so. So yeah, fertilize that. The kids are getting ready to go to school. Um, let's feed the chickens. Yes, I know. I had to do that for another let's play. And we are going to. My game is super glitchy now that I installed Wicked Williams. Let's clean her. Let's get her all together before I leave. And we're gonna milk Barbara. And that llama uh, fur grew back really, really fast. Kids, you're supposed to be going to bed. I mean, school. I thought I had some crops over here. I do. Is it empty? Okay, I guess it's empty. I guess we only planted one. Okay. Natural living skill. Okay. Mm, okay. Congratulations, Laurent. What? Completing school projects really has a positive impact on your grades. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Appreciate it. Girl, you is taking forever to do these farm chores. Like, hurry up, girl. Whoever that is, hello. Hey, Asteria. Angela Pleasant has asked me out another day. Should I say this? And again, do what your heart tells you. Thank you, Barbara. Let's go over to this. I'm gonna have to move this llama because she comes all the way out here to do what she got to do with the llama. Water shut off day. But I already collect my water. Is that gonna affect me? It should not, because I collect my water. Okay, it should not affect me. Girl, come on, help do what you gotta do with the llama. I know she need to be fixed. You're just walking in circles. Okay, let's just. Can you at least feed her? Okay, don't feed her then. Let's just go over to Bramblewood. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, now you want to do that. Everyone seems to be talking about a birthday party that Laurent was invited to. He kind of thought that the host was his friend. Bro, let it go. We ain't asking nobody to be friends on here. That's right. Oh, he got invited. My bad. Airplane origami. Laura has mastered the art of paper airplane and can't wait to try her original supersonic design. She's already finished her worksheet and the substitute isn't looking maybe. No, ma'am. We are we go to school to learn. The nose is meant. Oh well, back to the drawing board, like you said. Let's go to Bramblewood, right? Just yourself. Travel to the Bramblewood neighborhood. We're gonna try. All right, my lovely children, we are back. So we are at a vacation rental, because we tried the park last time, and I just want to see if I can find something here. So I'm in the neighborhood. Locate a harvestable hidden in the woods and try to collect it. And that lady stay everywhere. Okay, we're gonna go back here. Forage here. This okay, I think that's what I'm supposed to be doing, foraging. Fingers crossed, okay? Where you going? You going the wrong way. Put your phone down. Oh, I'm gonna say, girl, because where are you going? We need to find 5 items, and we're on level what? 2 out of 4. Are we gonna find something? I hope so. I can't click over there. Forage here. She dug up trash. Who buries trash? Apparently the people that dug forage here. Am I gonna find anything? Forage here. She found 1 apple, but that's not a. I don't think that's what I'm supposed to be looking for. Snapdragon? Does that count? Oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm doing. Locate harvestables. They're not working. Um, it said harvestables. Maybe that's not a good time to. My house get back there. This is gonna take all day. Okay, am I supposed to be looking back here? We just gonna keep. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I just wanna find something and make sure I'm doing it right. And I haven't found anything, even though they said I found the Snapdragon. I'm supposed to be finding things that I don't know about. I don't. Methylene. Oh my god, I forgot I had this. First of all, methylene. Forget you. Okay. Um, sure, friend. Where you going? Okay, as long as you know where you're going. How to find things in Bramblewood. Because I don't know what I'm doing. I done found like 3 items and it's not working. Forage here. They said around the stone ruins. I don't even know where it's at. Thank you, but I ain't found nothing yet. I ain't found nothing. It's some pretty water. I'm gonna be home late, so y'all gonna have to fend for yourself. No, we're not here to talk. We're trying to find stuff. Get over there. Hurry up, girl. Did you find anything? I don't want unknown. We're No, we are here to look for stuff. I don't got time for you to be. I'm gonna do a couple more looks and then it's already 5:20. I'm not finding anything. I can't click on no trees or nothing. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna be stuck. One holly, I ain't never had that before. Can I forge in the no? Oh, let's gather some water while we out here. Shoot. Sir, it's snowing, just so you know. Ma'am, why are you in your bathing suit? You're gonna freeze to there with your booty out. Okay. Um, they said maybe I can stay out here at night. I didn't want it anyway. I'm just trying to find stuff. I don't want to fish. I want to forage and find items. They said to go to the ruins, but I don't even know what is that? Dig. Please. Please. And girl, get your booty out the air. Oh my goodness. Y'all don't look. Don't look at her booty. Let's put her clothes back on. All right, we're back clothed. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, friend. Go over there. There's something there before somebody gets it. Okay, but I'm still not finding anything. This will be the last one. I'm going home. Dig. You better find something. I mean, no. We found something, but it doesn't count. And they talking about go to the ruins. Oh, I found. Okay, found the ruins. Can I? Can I? Does take cutting count? Please say yes. Please say yes. Sorry, I don't care about that right now. I'm trying to find stuff. I don't know what a chocoberry is, but fruit tastes just like chocolate. Okay, all right, all right. What else can I forage? And she wanna walk slow. It's about to be dark soon. How did I get here? I don't know. How am I gonna get back? I don't know. What is that right there? Is that the same thing? Ooh. Oh, I can't harvest out of. Please count, friend. Cause you dirty. Where you at? Okay, so yo, I if I can't get this, I'm just gonna have to cheat it. And then y'all just gonna have to call me a cheater. Cause I don't care. It didn't count. I don't know. I'm researching it and it says um to come at 6 o'clock in the morning, which I don't know. All right, let's go home because God knows how your children is feeling. She found a lemon. I done found like 6 items, and now I'm funky. Just got a green. Miss Lynn said I had a green cloud following me. We're gonna stay out here all day. We'll be back. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Hurry up, girl. Speed it up. Speed it up. Speed us up. Work, 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 work. I don't know where them ruins came from, but okay. So I spent half of this episode doing nothing. Jesus. And she's still walking slow. Oh, you gotta use the bathroom and you need a bath. Should have took a bath in the river. And spent all day out here. We're gonna come back at 6 o'clock in the morning, which I don't feel like we should go home. She just needs to spend the night. Alright, I made clean the house halfway. Okay. Um, so let's bathe. Okay. Have Laurent use hatch egg to see the hatching in progress. Okay. You take a bath. Laurent, how are you? Let's see. Okay, you're great. So let's get you to hatch the egg then. Are we gonna show our live hatching? I don't know where all the snow, why the snow melted, but okay. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? More choices. Oh, go back. Let's first clean the coop, and then we're gonna hatch eggs. Talk to your sister later. Oh, well, y'all can have a hug. But hurry up. How many more days of winter we got? I feel like we've been in winter forever. Okay, we'll keep looking for it. Okay. 5 days. Who are you, sir? The store is not open. You look familiar. Caleb. You're a vampire, aren't you? Okay. I don't know why I like the that is frozen, but yeah. Clean the coop, sir. I need to put a trash can in here so we don't have to walk all the way forward and all the way back to put trash in the trash can. Not you talking to a stranger. Lord, we gotta teach you that we don't talk to strangers, okay? We don't. Look at his mom taking a bath. Let's close the house doors. Might need to see her taking a bath. Just walk a little bit faster for me. A little bit. Alright, we cleaned the coop and now we are going to how do you do it? Oh, okay. Can we zoom in? Ooh, 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 ooh. How do you Oh, it just popped up. Laurent helped the chicken hatch from an egg. What a heartwarming moment. Oh, we raising chickens from babies. Yes, aren't you proud of us? Yes. Okay, good. Make sure you do your homework. I know it's 1:14 in the morning, but you need to do your homework because you're gonna be smart. Let's see what your mama doing. But she still ain't done with that bell. Nope. What else she need to? Did she need to use the bathroom? Look at all these items she found in her inventory, and none of them work. None of them is Man, that's upsetting. And then it's about to be okay. Forgive me, y'all. I'm not gonna cheat everything. I'm just gonna pull these up some because I need to get to the thing by 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna leave here at 4. I'm gonna scare her some feed. I can't scare her feed. Why not? Oh my god, I have $0. That's crazy. I got $0. I am broke. I can't even open, and she ain't even win no money. Oh my goodness, that is funny. So what we're gonna do? Sell some of these lemons. Yeah, I can't use it. Might as well sell it. Snapdragon, sell. Sage, sell. Yeah, we at least got $48. All right, Asteria, yeah, girl, we going back. So hop on your witch broom and let's go. Children, y'all gonna have to be self-sufficient for a minute because we trying to get this aspiration complete. We want to go by ourselves. And then I am going to come back and work on my crops. Okay. Giant crop farm, water. So I feel like I'm just gonna have to do it over and over to get them to perfect. All right, so um I found this wild mushroom, and I think that this is gonna count. Okay? Fingers crossed. All right, so I left her and I went searching before I came all the way up there. And then we need to find the cottage keeper house. Where you going? Stop following me. Oh my goodness, he's following me. Don't follow me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Ooh, what's that? Why can't Harvey? Is he fall? No! Stranger danger. Okay, he kept going. Whew, Lord Jesus. Um, I thought he was out to get me. What's that? No, we don't want that. Please say I collect 5 and then 5 will work. And then they said something about potato and black beans. Yes. Okay, I collected those. Is this another one? Pick strange mushroom. I just got. How am I gonna? I found 2. Thank you. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna pause this because I need to find the creature keeper's house. And it is. It's no. That's where I came from. Where is that house? I just saw it. That's not it. That's not it. Where is it? Oh, there we go. All right. And then they said I could find some because I researched this. Some potatoes. Can I click on any of this? Let me find something I can click on. What's that? What is it? Okay. He growing a little, he growing a little of that. You know what? Okay then, sir. Um, why it's so hard for me to click on stuff? My camera's acting cray. Okay, there we go. What's that? Can I click on anything? So I need to be finding plants that I can click on. Hey llama. Ooh. What's this? There's a sign there. Can I not pick it? What's this? Oh, that's the same thing. You know what the creature keeper is up to. Okay, y'all said it might be some potatoes and black beans, but there is nothing to click on. And I don't think I can click the mushrooms twice. Ooh, what's that? Can I click up? No. I don't see anything. And I can get out of camera range. I can't go. Okay, let's inspect his cottage. Let's hope he doesn't come back and turn us into like a monkey or something. Because I don't know anything about the creature keeper. The first time I'm hearing about this. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's a dead plant. Oh, I'm paused. I was wondering why she wasn't walking already. Yeah. Okay. She's always walking so effortlessly and slow. Look at you out here running early in the morning. Through the hurry up. Just left your children home for 2 days now. You should be ashamed of yourself. They might send you to jail. What are those? What are those? No, 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 no. What are those? Raspberries? Can I harvest? Oh my goodness. Not in season. That's why they're probably still there. Oh my God. And it is now. We're gonna dig that. I don't think that'll work though. It is now daytime. And it was like, oh, don't be out here doing the day. We're gonna inspect the cottage and see what we find. Lord, I don't want to get turned into nothing. Well, maybe I can see. Okay. Where are you going? Oh, I forgot we asked to dig that. I can't dig that. Oh, so he got more than one. Pop off then, friend. Limestone. Yeah, that doesn't count. Ooh, what's you? I don't know what you are, but we're gonna harvest you. But I have those already. Okay, shut up, Mildred. You might can use those. Yes, I'm at 3. I'm almost there. I need 2 more. Anything up here? Anything up the mountain? I don't know when we get a mountain. Okay, I'm see what happens when you really research a little. I just need 2 more items. I need 2 more things to click on. Do you see anything? Because I don't. Where is he? Oh, so it's a real person. Oh. Hey, why he got that gray stuff? Okay. I don't know why he's gray. If anybody can answer that question. Um, we're gonna stand out here all day. We need to be making some money. Make your money, honey. So I think when do blueberries and stuff come into season? When those come into season, I think we'll be able to harvest those. Um, yeah, but we got 3 out of 5, so I'm not complaining. We are going to work on harvesting a perfectly quality oversized crop, and that is that A word, um Albergine, um because we're trying to get this aspiration done. Then I can move on to um the next generation. She's still walking slow. Oh, it's pronounced Albrechine. Albertine. Albertine. Yeah. She was still on to walk slow. I guess if we get back in time, we can open the shop. All right, back at it. Let's go check on my oversized crop. And hopefully, you know, we're getting rid of this snow because it looks like we're getting rid of it. Encourage crop grow. What else can I do to it? Can I talk to it? Urge to remain calm. Okay, what's that? When did I get there? That's a whole lamp. Okay. All right, so let's scatter some more. Feed. Check on my crickets. What's wrong with my crickets? They are famished. Feed them. Nurture. And then I have um plants right here apparently. Harvest crops, I guess. What is these? That's a whole tree. Okay, I'm gonna leave you alone then. And then we're gonna come over here. Let's not disturb them. Let's open this store. Let's do that. Do we have enough money to open the store? No, I don't want to sell it. Can I open it? Can I open my business? Of course, I don't have to. I don't have enough money. Let's see what's in my inventory. Okay, I want to keep that fossil rock. Can I sell that? $50. Does it give me enough? It gives me enough to open my shop. Yeah, let's do that. Open. And while y'all do that, I'm gonna do farm chores. So come by, buy stuff. And I don't want to disturb them, but I need to collect some honey. And I need to collect beeswax. And maybe I can bond with them. We'll see. So they can stop stinging me. Okay, talk to the crickets later, girl. Yeah, talk to them later. Hey, Barbara. Okay, you happy? All right. All right, be happy. We gotta check on the llama next. Oversized lettuce. Oh, oh. Was that the perfect one? No, it wasn't. It wasn't perfect. Mm-mm. Check on them bees, girl. Get you some honey, girl. And then you need to go in the house and cook. And I feel like we've been up for forever. Thank you for coming. Entomology. Okay. I know caterpillar. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, we don't want to do that. We should make some wine to sell. Did we have wine somewhere? Maybe in the house. And I think it should be aged. Open. Let me see. Because we was making wine at some point. Pour. Finally aged. Pour. Pour. Ooh, well, we can sell that, right? Can I put it up here? Or I'm gonna have to do it somewhere else. Yeah, let's sell some wine. I'm gonna sell 2 bottles. I hope y'all buying stuff though. I don't know what all of this is, but thank you for your service. I don't think it has nothing to do with the store though. Let's put some honey out here, some beeswax. Somebody might need some cricket flour. Did they buy the wine that fast? Oh, well, let's put some more down then. Because I feel that sold real fast. K wine. Nothing else being sold. Mm, I don't know what that mushroom is. Let's hold on to it. What else can we sell? Okay, I think I need everything else. Let's put that up there because I don't know if I can sell it, but we're gonna try. Oh, I got 2. Girl, you taking a long time over here with these bees. You need to go in the house and cook. I hope we make some money with the store open today. Are you coming to talk to me? Don't come talk to me. I'm doing something. Oh. Hey, maid, thank you for coming. I hope I paid you well. I don't know. Let's cook. Cause I forgot we went grocery shopping, so should have a lot more options. Come on. Okay. A lot more options, hopefully. It don't look like we had that many options. Salt baked fish, okay. Steamed fish, fruit cobbler. Lord, I ain't got nothing. Salt baked fish it is. That's enough for the whole family. Cause you need to eat. The kids gonna need to eat when they get here. And you tired, so you need to take a little nap. So if I take a nap, is that gonna close the store? Are y'all liking everything? Did you not like it? We're gonna have to make some more wine to sell. Maybe we selling the wrong stuff. Man, we need to grow some of that good that the creature keeper had and sell that and see if that will I go to jail though? Cause I ain't sought none of that up. Like, shouldn't the creature keeper be going to jail? He's selling it. Just saying. I mean, he growing it. Oh, I mean, I ain't no snitch, but Black Rooster's getting on in years. Oh, poor Black Rooster. If you pass away, you pass away. Daniel Kim, why you keep running back and forth? I hope that means you gonna buy something. How long the thing been open? For 3 hours. That's not long. We ain't getting nowhere near where we're supposed to be. Mm, okay. She gonna eat and she gonna take a nap. I don't know what to tell y'all. I can't socialize today. It might be nothing, but Asteria feels like her good luck helped her make something better than she would have otherwise. Okay, if you say so. It kind of look good though, and I don't even eat fish like that. Are you gonna grab a? You gonna grab a serving and eat? Grab a serving so I can move it off the table. Yeah, go over there. Eat your fish, girl, and let's see what these people out here doing. I hope y'all buying stuff. Somebody else brought another thing of wine. I only had four, and we're down to two. Sir, why do you keep? So I ended up not okay. Good for you. He didn't go on no date with her. Great. Girl, you need to clean that out. Can you clean? All right. I don't know why I have yeast, but let's seal this holly. Can I? Can I seal it? Okay. Medium lettuce. Why I can't put nothing up here? You might have to be open for a long time for her to sell some stuff. At least about 5. I don't know how long she been open. 4 hours. And girl, you know what you need to do? Probably wash clothes. There's no clothes to wash. Are we just out here wearing dirty clothes? Ooh, come out here. Okay, there's no clothes to wash. She gonna take a nap. We gonna people watch. Let's keep an eye on her needs, cause as soon as they get up, she getting up. Y'all instead of talking, I need y'all to be buying. You might just have to sell all this stuff and start from the get go. Maybe we could teach classes. Oh no. I mean, hey. You better not scare my people away. If you're not here to buy, you need to get on somewhere. We ain't doing it, whoever you are. Who are you? That's right. See you later. You ain't trying to pay to stay here? Don't stay here. Oh, I got a smiley face from her. Let's see what that is. Okay. Maybe not making no money because I don't have a modifier. Set price modifier. Okay, I don't want to be pricey. Mm, I don't want to be too pricey. I got 3 days left on this milk. Somebody need to buy it. Okay, let's do a sale. Let's do a sale on the stuff in here so I can sell this milk. I just need to sell it. Alright, the milk on sale. Buy the milk. Oh, that means you bought something. He left with a smiley face. Bye. Thank you for coming. Y'all want to stand there and talk instead of stand there and bye. Please. I wonder what'll happen if I leave my thing open for 24 hours. I mean, cause I don't know. Lori, girl, you need to go take a bath first and then do your homework because we only get A's. Your brother is doing great in school. You, not so great. And then you need to go ahead and finish this project like your brother. Work carefully. Your mom is taking a nap because she's tired. She's been up for 2 days. And then her energy is still going slow. Still going slow. We keep an eye on that, and we need to keep an eye on this store. Two people still standing here. Still nothing's happening. But you brought it. You mad, but you brought it. I'm confused. Okay, she's up. Go use the bathroom. Okay. I don't know how else to enhance your experience. Well, I forgot I built the bathroom. I don't know if I told y'all, but I built her like a little half bath over here. And then, because it was just getting backed up for some reason. And let's see if we could check on Llama Llama Red Pajama. I might have to, let's see if I could turn it right quick. Didn't we have issues with this last time? But it worked for the cow. Now it's not working for the llama. Let's rotate. Okay, not her popping out of nowhere. Oh, let me turn my bd.move objects. Turn that on. And then let's do that. And maybe I need to pull this fence out some. That's the issue. Move, move over just by one. Pull you out. And pull you out. Okay, and we're gonna see how that works. And then we're gonna pull you in because we don't need you. All right, we'll see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Because even the cow walks out now. And my fence is still out. Too far. You gotta pull you back in. Go in one. Go in one. Move the light over. I don't know where that light came from. Let's put it right there. That's a little low. We're gonna see if this works. Of course he completed his homework because he's a smart boy. Y'all, I got anybody visiting? Nobody visiting no more? I hope y'all coming to buy. Come out. You just don't want to come out. Oh, there you go. I need to clean you. Clean you, feed you, and what? Unhappy. I would be unhappy too. Okay? Looking like that. Hurry up, ma'am. She getting a little bit of money. I don't know what these people are buying, but hopefully they buying something. Buy that milk. The milk is on sale, right? I still have all the bottles, like, and I think I got more in my inventory. I'm not gonna put that in there yet, though. I thought I had more in my inventory. We still ain't had no funeral for our daddy slash husband. Girl, you ain't did it yet? She already out. Please don't tell me you glitching. Please, please don't tell me you glitching. Is the llama glitching? Am I gonna have to sell the llama? Nothing's happening. I think I'm gonna have to sell the llama. She's glitching. Okay, these are the same. Okay, the llama is, I don't know. We might have to sell her and get another cow. Or maybe I'm glitching. Let me reset her. Hmm, fertilize all crops. Okay. I don't know what's going on, but let's save because it's giving me a thing. So thank you for joining this episode. I'm gonna figure out why she not moving and she can't do stuff. Who knows? Um, yeah. Thank you. See you next Friday.